Okay, I'm over here back at my honey hole. I don't know how much more time I have. It's going to be covered in briars, but I got a good signal. It was bouncing around from 75 to like 88, and I popped it out of the hole and I started cleaning it. It's right here. It looks like it's a buckle, but it has metal, and that's why it was bouncing around. But it looks like it has some detail in there. I don't know if it's that old. I would have to clean it up better when we get home, see what it is, but it looks like it has some really nice detail. But that's pretty cool to find. So let's keep going. Okay, like I said, I'm over here in these briars. I don't have that much time to come back here because the briars are going to be too thick. I won't be able to walk around. But I got a really nice signal right there. It's see if you can see that. Can you see that? It's 94, 95, and it jumps to 81. Or 91, I'm sorry, 92. So I'm gonna try to dig this live. I'm gonna put my detector down, and I think it was right here. It said 4 to 6 inches deep. It's hard to do it with one hand. Let's see if I got it out of the hole. I don't think so. Let me check it. Hold on. Might have missed it. Oh, it's right over here. All right, it's right in that pocket. So let's see if we could get it together. It was ringing up really nice. It's right here, whatever it is. Oh, look at that. What is it? Ooh, it's copper. I could see it. Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. This might be another coin, actually. It looks like it is another coin. Son of a gun, I keep popping these coins out of here. It's awesome. Oh, I see a horse's head. Do you see it? Right there, right above my thumb. I think this is another New Jersey copper. Oh, that is so cool. Alright, let's clean it up. When we get home, see what it is. That's awesome. I think it is. Let me rub it on my pant leg. Nope, I can't make it out. Okay, I got another good signal. Right here, I found it with my pinpointer. started digging it out. I don't know what that is exactly. It's weird. It's heavy. It's like lead. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, they look like stars. Do you see that? Do you see it? They're stars. I don't know if that's some kind of... Oh, there's another star. It's like folded over. Oh, it's coming apart as I'm cleaning it. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to stop cleaning it before I ruin it, whatever it is. It looks like there's stars on it. Must be a seal of some sort. Do you see the stars? Alright, let's keep going. Okay, I got a really good signal in the high 80s. I dug it up. It's right here. It looks like it's a door latch. Actually doesn't look that old, but that's a good sign. So maybe there's a patent date on it or something. Yeah, it's a door latch. That's pretty cool. It actually works. Alright, let's keep going. Was getting a good signal, and look what it is. Oh, this is like my... This is a big one. Wow. Beautiful horseshoe. Like my third one in here from out of this area here. Like I said, this area is going to get overwhelmed in another week or so with briars. I won't be able to get in. So, trying to get my last hunt of the season here. Hopefully I'll find some more good things. Okay, I was getting a good signal deep, like 8 to 10 inches deep. And I was digging over here and this popped out. I don't know what that is, but it's the shape of a coin. So this might be coin number 2. Oh yeah, look at that. What is that? Come on, don't fail me now. Oh, look at that. That looks like another King. I gotta be quiet. It looks like another King George II facing left. I see a number 2 right here, right above my nail there. Do you see it? Number 2. See him facing left? And Britannia would be on this side. This puppy was deep. Yeah, that's a King George II. That is super sweet. You can make him out. See him there? You see him? That's so cool. I didn't think he'll be this far up in this field. Wow. I've been finding everything down that way, probably 60, 70 yards. This is the first one I'm finding up close to the road. That's awesome. Let's keep going. Okay, we are here at the wrap up on my finds. I didn't find that much when I went, but what I did find was 2 more coins, this really cool buckle here. Let's see if I can get... that looks really awesome. Again, it was coming up choppy because there's iron, and I think that's brass or pewter. I don't know what they made it out of, but I think it's old. I'm not really sure because of the area where I found it. I've been finding extremely old items like this one here. See if you could see it. It's a New Jersey state copper. You could see the plow right there, the horse's head above it. I'm gonna try to get it wet. Maybe you'll show a little better. It's just some water. Either that or make it worse, one or the other. But let me see if I could get the light. Right there's the plow. Can you see it on the bottom where the water is pooling, and the horse's head is basically below my finger. I can't get a date off of it, but they only made them for 2 years, 1786, 1788, and it should be to the right of the plow, right there. If there was a date on it, that's where it would be. These were all hand stamped. Oh, there's another. There you go. That's a better picture. And on this side is the shield, but you can't see the shield on this coin. Actually, the shield is get it wet a little more with some water. Actually, the shield is pretty far gone. It's just like corroded from being under the ground. But anyway, the shield is there. That's really cool. And then this coin here is a King George II. Let me just get it wet a little bit. You could make out King George. Actually, let me get it wet a little more. Right there. Okay, cool. Anyway, there's King George. If you could see him. Right. Hold on. Right there. You could see the 2. Roman numeral 2 right above my fingernail there. And can you make out the silhouette of King George? There you go. And on this side would be Britannia, but the only thing that, let me see if I have it flipped over right. Yeah. The only thing that you could see is down here is the shield of Britannia, where the staff would go through. Other than that, you can't get a date off of it or anything. But I know what it is because I found like 4 of them. Anyway, this is a really cool cuff button, a little guy with the shank still in place. Get a little side view there, a little side action. Right there, see the shank? That's really cool, super tiny. You really have to take your time when you metal detect to find something that small. And this here, I'm gonna get it wet again. This here is a seal. It's a lead seal. I didn't know what it was at first. And you could see the stars. There's 3 stars. 1, 2, 3 stars there. 1 star right there. It's a lead seal. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was just a bullet. This is the underside of it. Obviously it fell apart when I was cleaning it. It's in my video. So sorry about that. But anyway, that is really cool. I know it's really old because we're, like I said, the area where I've been finding these coins and items. So I'm gonna probably have a video of all my finds from this honey hole and show you everything. I really hope you liked, and please subscribe. Thank you.